Hey, Pearl, that was really fun going shopping with you today. I really had a good time with me, daughter. You know what? Let's go eat the Krusty Krab because I'm hungry.
Thanks, Daddy. I really appreciate you taking me, and I am hungry.
All right, Pearl, after you. SpongeBob, look, I see Mr. Krabs. Ha ha!
Yep, that's Mr. Krabs, Squidward. Wait, that's Pearl. Squidward! Thank you, Daddy.